Well, this wouldn't be a full week if we didn't put out a video talking to our traders. You guys chose to follow our path, and it's an obligation for me to come out here and make a video for you talking about trading, because that is what we usually do all the time. So I was thinking, I thought about my past when I started trading and my present, the position I'm in right now. And I've been lucky. I'm not saying I did not put in hard work. I put in a lot of effort. I put in a lot of hard work, but I still struggle, with trading. I know the payouts are there, it is evidence, but I too also still have struggles with trading, and I always keep on reflecting and finding ways to get better. That means not blowing up my accounts, improving my strategy, trying to better myself in trading. And so I'm here to speak about a few things regarding trading, because it is fun. I enjoy talking about trading all the time. I enjoy talking to you guys and reading your comments. All of them are very positive, because that shows me that you people are genuine and you want also to make trading work for you in the long run, because that is our main focus, to make trading work for us in the long run. And of course I'm trading, and so what have I been reflecting on currently? It is what I'm going to share with you today. It is a Bible verse. I read a lot of Proverbs. It is one of those favorite books wrote by King Solomon, because if you know King Solomon, he was the wisest man on the planet. God asked the guy, "What do you want me to give you?" Anything in the world. Just imagine, most of us at the moment, we would have asked for $1 billion, at the moment. Because that is what mostly we pray for, make us rich, make us this, But this guy, King Solomon, asked for wisdom. Wisdom. And what is wisdom? Maybe I don't know it, but probably I would put the question to you guys: what is wisdom? Right? And this is what King Solomon asked for. And he wrote the book of Proverbs, right? And there, the things I've been reflecting on, they are the 30 wise sayings. I'm not going to read all the 30 wise sayings, but I'm going to select the one that struck me and that helped me relate to my trading journey. My trading journey at the moment, my mindset, and where my mind is. So, these are 30 wise sayings. Mind you, I've not yet finished them. I'm still on the journey, on the process of learning the 30 wise sayings. They are like quotes for wise people, because I've been trying to pursue wisdom. What is wisdom? How can I get more wisdom? That is one thing I'm thinking about a lot now. But we are going to jump to the 7th wise saying, to number 7. That is where I want us to put the emphasis on. And it is Proverbs chapter 23, verse 4. That is the 7th wise saying. And this is how it goes: be wise enough not to wear yourself out trying to get rich. Your money can be gone in a flash, as if it had grown wings, and flown away like an eagle. Be wise enough not to wear yourself out trying to get rich, chasing money. So this quote struck me, like it hit me hard. Whatever it means, whatever it says, most people wear themselves out trying to, get rich or make money. And sometimes, it is worth it, but at what cost is it, I've been reflecting on this quote a lot, and it can cause a lot of controversy, it can cause a lot of chaos, but in a humble way, how to reflect on this, be wise enough not to wear yourself out trying to get rich. It doesn't say wear yourself out trying to be stable, no, trying to get rich. Yeah. And most of us, want the high lifestyle, but when God grants you something that is simple and you are able to do a lot of things, you are able to be comfortable, I think you have to be very thankful and grateful to God for that particular thing. So I'm just here to remind you guys, do not wear yourself out. Some people reach to an extent of saying, I would rather die, than staying, like, when I'm getting rich. They could do anything to get rich. But this also brings me to the next point, where I saw a question. Someone asked a question to some people. Let us even just say it is $1 million in dollars. Let us say the money in dollars. And someone asked a question. If someone offers you, let us say $100 million, that's life-changing money. $100 million, huh? But you only have 1 day to live. $100 million and 1 day to live. What do you take? Even if it's not a day, even if it's a month to live, do you take the 100 million or you prefer to live? So most people will select to live, because that means, and in that explanation, that means life is not even worth $100 million. So if it is not even worth $100 million, that means your life is more precious than the 100 million if you wouldn't take it. That means the gift of life is more important than 100 million, because you wouldn't take the $100 million to live for only a week. You wouldn't take that. You would rather live and figure things out and enjoy tomorrow than taking that. So this quote, I think, relates with that question I've posed. The quote is, be wise enough not to wear yourself out trying to get rich. Your money can be gone in a flash, as if it had grown wings and flown away like an eagle. So life is very precious, life is very important. We people have to think about that a lot, of how important life is and how precious we have it, right? Anyway, talking about trading, as you guys know, I've been following up on my trades. It has not been going the greatest, I can say, because we are in drawdown at one account, but we are not worried. It is not too much worry. And the other one, we are not making progress. We make profits, we take them back. So the account is as it was given. Bro, I had even forgotten that passing these things is hard. But one thing is, I've not lost the account. The last account I lost was the 100k that I was in phase 2 last time. But right now, I'm trying to be careful. I'm trying to be vigilant. Even if I'm not making too much progress, I'm not making too many losses too. So I guess a win is a win. A win is a win. So yeah, trading is something that can change your life if you take it seriously. You put in 100%. It can pay you even more than your dream job. So you have to stay grounded and do not give up. I know it is very hard for me to convince someone who has not yet benefited a lot from trading. But what are the other options, dude? I want someone to come out and tell me, okay, there is trading and there is this for me, and your other options, are they as good as trading is? I know most people may paint trading a bad picture, but it is a way. It is a very good option for you to be comfortable and not worry about money a lot. It is a very good way and easy way when you grasp it. Yep. So you have to be careful, and you have to understand that, trading is a serious thing. Take it serious. Get a book. Every time I come here, I tell you, get a pen, get a book, and write every day that I've entered this trade. Okay, what next? You see, that is what you have to do. Take it serious. If you could go into school and study a bachelor's for 3 years, you could study trading for 3 years and be serious about it. Write down the losses, write down the wins, write down everything you need to write down so that you can make progress. You read, okay, tomorrow is going to start, then you write it down. And you read what happened yesterday so that you don't repeat whatever you did. Anyway, I won't be here and talk too much, but I just wanted to come out and make a video, reflect. This is a nice channel. Most of you can relate with a lot of videos that we show. Right now I'm in a trade. Let me see, bro. My FTMO account is in drawdown. I plan on coming back from it. It is like 1,000 now, negative 1,000. But if I can make back the 1,000 today, then next week I can make some profits and maybe get a payout, or not. But whatever it is, as you can see, we have a trade running, which is nice and a bit okay. The lot size is 0.3, as you can see there, but it is in a little profit, but it is okay. I've been in this trade for the whole day, and it has been in drawdown of negative 500. It could still go the wrong way, but I'll keep holding and see, what Friday has for us. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and keeping it locked on this channel. I've come out to talk to you about that quote: be wise enough not to wear yourself out trying to get rich. Your money can be gone in a flash, as if it had grown wings and flown away like an eagle. So be extra careful. Just do your level best and live life. Don't be like me. I'm not living. I'm just living here, trading and making videos, and it is good. It is a good life. I also have work that I attend to, which is amazing. So thank you very much, guys, for showing up and watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one when we do it. But for now, peace out. Bye bye.